Ever missed a chance to connect with a contact? Automation ensures you never do. It keeps you relevant and timely, transforming your client interactions into seamless experiences. Behavioral automation tracks how leads interact with your website. It personalizes communication, ensuring each message resonates with your audience's specific needs and actions. Imagine knowing exactly when a lead is interested. With behavioral automation, you can send personalized messages at the perfect moment, enhancing engagement and conversion. Customize your messages to fit your style and brand. Set triggers based on specific lead actions to ensure your communication is always relevant and impactful. Effective email and text strategies can transform your outreach. By tailoring your approach, you ensure every interaction is meaningful and drives results. Recap the benefits of editing automation features. Personalizing your approach enhances client engagement and keeps you top of mind. By personalizing your automation settings, you'll see immediate results. Start today to transform your client interactions and boost your success. Take action now. Edit your automation settings with BoldTrail and watch your client engagement soar. Let's make every interaction count. Please see the step-by-step guide below by scrolling down.